on the screen and what you should do in these scenarios. So user is using your application. At this point of time, you can save your data incrementally so that you can get back to him. You can get user back to the same page as he was if the app was suspended in between. App switched away from, save where the user is and what screen they're on. Suppose you are reading a newspaper article and you have opened a mail application and the newspaper application goes into the suspend mode. At this point of time, what would you like? Would you like when the user resumes that he should get back to the same page article that he was reading, or you should land him on the hub page from where he'll have to search his article again and go where he was reading? Well, the better user experience is the first thing that I said, if you land user back to the first page. So this is what is scenario number 2. Not running app launched by the user, bring the user back and restore their session as if they never left, which is self-explanatory, and suspended app launched by the user, resume. Well, in that case, you don't have to do anything. So this is the process state transaction about the